Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to talk about unique constraint. Let me just create a table at first. Table employee, let's say. So here I have to give a column name, so let's add all the column name. Let's say employee ID, employee underscore ID, and ID would be integer. Okay, and let's say this one is primary key, so I will say here primary key integer. Okay, I have to give here primary key. All right, comma, and let's say employee name underscore name varchar. All right, 255, and now we will use unique. Okay, how? Let's say I want employee email, and the email also is varchar, and let's say 255, but I'll give here unique constraint. Okay, and now let's execute the query, and here you can see created successfully. So let's select all from execute it, and here you can see we have ID name, and now let's say I want to insert value, so I will say here insert into employee. I want to set all the column at first. I want to say here all the columns, so the employee ID, employee underscore ID. Actually I can go to the new line here, so I have employee ID. Okay, and then what? Employee name, EMPLOY, employee underscore name, then employee underscore email, and I want to set values, so I will say values. Now I need to add values, so let's say actually I want to add multiple values, so I will go for the new line. Okay, here I'm going to say it like this. Let's say once again. Okay, I'm going to give here comma. Okay, so the first value, let's say I want to add so employee ID is integer, right? So I will say 101, and employee name, let's say Tanvir. Okay, and I can say the employee email, let's say tanvir@gmail.com, and I want to say here 102, second value, let's say Milan, and the third column is milan@gmail.com. 103, let's say Nusrat, or let's say Wasi. Okay, I have to give your single quotation because this is varchar, okay, or varchar, whatever you say. So here I'm going to say wasi@gmail.com, and the last one, let's say 104, but I'll give the same name, let's say Tanvir, and I want to add the same Gmail, tanvir@gmail.com. Here you can see that I have set the email as unique. All right, but I'm giving here same value, so the unique actually cannot contain the same name or same elements, right? So if I execute it, and here you can see tanvir@gmail.com error code, and you have an error in your SQL syntax. Check the manual that corresponds to your MySQL server version for the right syntax. Okay, so the problem is for this one. Okay, this line. So if I remove this line, let's say I want to close it here. Now if I execute it, now you can see it executed successfully. So the problem was for the unique email, right? For the unique email we cannot actually give here same email. All right, so this is how actually you can set unique constraint in your table column. Okay, so I hope you understand. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.